What not working?
My fucking Snapchat.
So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, this is a bit different, and that's because it is. Basically, at the start of this year, I made a New Year's resolution that I would Twitch stream every Saturday at 8 p.m. And I only made it about 4 weeks in before I folded on that, but that's besides the point. Anyway, during one of these adrenaline-inducing streams, I was playing Scriblio, which is basically just Pictionary with my beautiful and loving viewers, and alongside some familiar faces from the gaming channel. And as you're gonna see pretty soon here, it went pretty bad.
Oh yeah, I ran into a tree in Colorado.
Oh yeah, please no racial slurs. I shouldn't have to say that, but dude, did you just say why? Any custom word ideas we could throw in here? I'm thinking Spider-Man could be a good one.
Hot Spider-Man.
Epic tube or tub, I don't know. Epic tub underscore YT, put them in there.
Should we put? All right, I'm putting an epic tub.
Put him in.
Epic tubs in here. My proudest moment. Hey, bro, I got you, my G.
Who's drawing? Oh,
I'm pretty sure.
me.
Nice.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
It's my character, Chaz. Every artist has a character.
This looks like Plankton when he got stepped on.
Jeez, it's got Chaz in here.
What? What?
Nothing. Please don't come in here.
Chaz, look at your snap.
Oh no. No, I got an ad!
Salmon.
No peeking. Ah,
Chaz, cover the ad.
I am, bro. It closes in 10 seconds. Oh no, Dylan.
You're gonna get demonetized. Oh, this is Jesus.
Damn it.
Wait.
Oh, it's a palm tree.
No, man, you're not supposed to say it. And I'm the right. Shut up. Is this an, oh god.
Hey.
Alright.
Hey, send some pics.
He's got some foot fungus.
You know what?
shit.
No one look at the oh my god, no one look, no one look.
Shit,
Muffin.
how do I spell it? I can't. Hey Siri, spell restaurant. Restaurant.
Okay,
Great,
Google,
man.
how do you spell restaurant?
Let's go. Make one of the words creamy. Listen, man, this is the wrong site. Hey.
I have letters.
Alright, Matt. I saw that one. Dude, it's gonna be really obvious, but I don't know.
Dude, I don't.
Oh!
Oh.
Could have done like a Tinder thing or something.
Okay, of course. Check
We have
IGDM.
coming.
Uh-oh. Bro.
Nah, Chaz isn't looking at that ad.
Oh, mouth.
Oh.
Wait.
What? Grin.
Grin?
Oh,
What
how
the
was I
fuck,
supposed to get
Chaz?
that?
What do you
Why
mean?
you got nipples, bro?
Those are the legs.
Wait. Oh, I know what this is.
Let's go, number one on the board.
It's what Chaz
Oh.
is when you beat him in Rocket League.
Man, you shut
Bro,
the fuck
Chaz.
up. It's not that, man. Close, though. Close.
Potion?
Fuck.
Hey, yo.
Oh! Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh, no,
It is. Wait.
I don't think it's tuna either.
Jesus
Fanta.
Christ.
Dude,
Dylan.
you could've made it better than that.
Oh, alright, no
Exactly.
stream sniping, guys.
Okay,
Oh,
Oh,
hold
and
on.
wait a minute. Oh, this one's...
Refresh. Abraham Lincoln. Shit. Oh, I gotta type this one out.
Got it!
Shit.
Cool.
Bad guy.
Oh no.
Big
The guy from Thanos. Hi, Minai. Oh, man, this isn't.
Ignore this person guy. Alright, who's stream sniping? You fucking stream snipers?
Torch.
The flame!
Flame.
Wait, why did I gave him fucking 2 sets of arms.
Candle? Why did you do it like that?
Dude, he's holding the flame. I won! I won! Let's
That's
fucking
some
go!
bullshit. Because
Dude,
everyone
easy.
stream sniped you.
Easy. Can we get some emote? How do I find? How do I find the Pogger chat?
They got rid of it
No, why would they do that?
because you said racial slurs. Now it's this.
No.
Wait, we're saying racial slurs?
Hey,
No.
nope.
Yeah, the stream's over. You can do it now.
No, it's not. No, please.
It's
Guys,
okay.
nobody guess Will's.
I did
Just
well.
so
You
doesn't
did good.
get any points.
I'm down.
Bro, y'all suck.
We're not trying, bro.
Tinder goal.
Not funny.
95.
Oh yeah, Ekoluz is going. He's doing his montage. He really is growing. Spitting bars like I'm on Mars. Eating food, I'm in the mood.